Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Off-Road Outlaws, and I'm going to show you this cool money glitch that happens every time. It does not always spawn in, but it does happen a lot. And yeah. Now what you want to do is go to single player and then go to woodlands. And then after, what you want to do is, well, you have to go to this specific spot right here. As you can see on my map, this is where it's supposed to be. And then what you want to do when you're right here is just make a right. Keep going. And these are caught. They're not really cautions, but they're like boxes. And this one spawns in right over here somewhere around this area. And the second one, people usually miss this, and I've already seen videos for this. People usually miss this, and yeah, here's the second one that spawns in. And what you want to do is click on it. It will say good find will give me 10 XP and 0 gold, and I got $2,100. The boxes that you are seeing so far, they don't get gold. The one that gets gold is very hard. Not hard to find. It's kind of rare. It's really rare. Most people don't get it, but I did get it today on my second account, and it spawns in right here. And the fourth one is all the way over here. If you want to just keep on doing it to get money, it does work. Just press play, go into single player and woodlands, and yeah, we're just gonna do the same thing that I showed y'all. Sorry if you guys can hear something in the background. It's like it's so fast. Alright, so thanks you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching this. Please like and subscribe. If you guys play this game, leave it in the comments below. Maybe we could try to play one day. And yeah, guys, thanks.